Yes, guys, YouTube automation step-by-step tutorial. Let's go. So, guys, look, check this out. This is automation in practice. YouTube video, money making channel, got 68.2 subscribers, 68.2K, sorry, subscribers. This video in itself has got 190K views, guys, and it's just an AI video.
You will know it yourself, and you can do exactly what we're going to teach you in this video for you to start earning money pronto. The method that we're going to teach you today is 100% free. You won't need to shell out cash up front because that won't be necessary.
So guys, all it is literally a video. You can see it's about 11 minutes long, and it's just literally just video clips together in automated with a voiceover. That's all it is, guys. And this is what I'm going to show you today. Now, it can be any topic you want, obviously, but you know, automated videos can make some really good money. If you just want to just do a sort of video for a channel, that's fine too. You can do that. So let me take you through the steps, step by step, guys. Now, what I will say though, the first thing is, now if you're going to create a video, you want to make sure that your video gets onto YouTube and it does rank. So what I personally do is, if I was to say something like, if I just type this in, for example, how to sell digital products online 2023, let's say, right? What I would do is I would make sure that my video would rank. So what I mean by that is I use something called vidIQ. You can see the software that's connected to my my channel, YouTube here. This is vidIQ, and you can see that this title term has gotten a high score. It's got decent volume with low competition. And that's what you're trying to do is when you create automated videos, try to create videos that are going to be seen on YouTube, right? So vidIQ is a fantastic software, which you can have a free trial for in the link in the description with all my other free trials. And then you also got TubeBuddy, which I also subscribe to, which is fantastic, which also gives me an indication. And you can see that this actual search term is excellent. Search volume is very good, and competition is also good in terms of like to compete against. So you can see, guys, that you really need SEO software because that will help you identify the good topics to do for your automation, guys. So that's very important. So just putting that aside, now let's say, for example, you've gone on to the internet, and you want to actually create a video about how to sell products online, right? Let's just say that is your topic that you're interested in talking about or showing an automated video on. So what you would do is you'd go onto the internet and you type in how to sell products online. And what you would try to do is you try to search for a document, a script, some text, an article, something that you could use. Because what you're going to do is you're going to try to find something, and then you're going to try to change it into your own words. Now, you could actually write it yourself in the first place, or you could actually look at something and try to create it in your own words, which can also work. So what I've done is I've gone onto this website and I'm trying to find something that that works for me. Apologies. And then I'm going to look and try and use the text to convert into video. So there's lots of things here. I'm just going to just simply say the benefits of selling digital products, right? Let's just say that's what I want to sort of talk about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this. Right, click copy, go to, right, I'm going to copy this onto something called Quillbot. Now, Quillbot is fantastic because what it is, it changes that writing into my own writing in a different writing format. It's very important because obviously where I've gone to is probably copyrighted, so I need to put it into something that can make it into my own words. Okay, my own original words. And Quillbot is fantastic, and it can change it into a really fluent style, formal style, simple style, creative, expand it or shorten your text. It's amazing, guys. So I'm going to paste this in here very quickly, and you can see this is what I've taken, and then I'm going to paraphrase it. So it's going to change it in a different style, different writing, different way of saying the same thing, but we'll make it original so that I can use it and it becomes mine. So click paraphrase. So I'll click paraphrase, and then you can see here. So for example, look at this. when selling digital products, you don't need to source or manage inventory, right? It's just talking about it. And then here, when it's paraphrased, it says you don't need to source or oversee inventory when you offer digital goods. And then it says you you don't have to deal with shipping. Moreover, logistics and shipping are not your concern. So look, they've changed it. They've made it into an original format that I can use now. Okay, so that's fantastic, guys. This is really good. Quillbot is fantastic. This is the free version. I've just used the free version, but there is a premium version which you can use, which opens up loads of features. So I'm going to copy this anyway, just for the example, and then I'm going to go to Pictory. So guys, look, Pictory is probably the go-to software which you can automate text into video and change it up. It's fantastic, guys. It really is amazing, really is quick. So I'm going to just show you very quickly how to use it. And again, you can check out the free trial in the description below. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create this now. So I'm going to go to script to video. You can also go to article to video, edit video using text here. But I want to go to the proceed and go to script to video and paste the new text that I've created. Okay, Control V, and there it is. Let me just remind myself what the heading is. How to sell digital products online. I'll put that as a title. How to sell digital products online. Yep. So that's my title. I'm going to go to proceed. And what it's going to do is, hopefully, after I clicked it, it's going to give me options. So what I do is I get options of templates. Now, I'm not too worried about this because Pictory is so smart. It changes words. It changes your words into videos, right? So I'm going to just go to, which one should I go to? It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go to this one, corporate style, right? Click the corporate style, click continue. Okay. Right. It's going to come up. I don't know why my phone keeps ringing. Let me switch it off. Anyways, so check this out, guys. It's going to transform it real quick, guys. It's going to literally put the text, make it into video. And what's nice about Pictory, so smart, is that it will try to look at what words you're using, and using those words, it try to make it into a video. So what I'm saying is, if you're saying like you're talking about pizza, for example, it will try to get you images of pizzas and things like that. So it's very, very smart and very, very intuitive. That's what I really like about Pictory. So this step, it should be creating now, analyzing what you've written or what you've got as your text, and it's transforming it now. Now, here you go. Let's have a look at this. So let's do a preview of the first slide or first bit of writing because it's broken it down. So what they've done is, guys, they've created a video, and you can see, look, we're talking about inventory and goods, and you can see they got an image of two people there looking at some goods and a warehouse, almost like, you know, something that could be shipped, you know. Now, obviously, when you're looking at digital products, it's probably not as related because it's digital products, which is more online. But what it does is, it does relate to it because it's telling you that, moreover, logistics and shipping are not your concern. So it's got an image of shipping containers and basically saying, you don't need to have this. You don't need this. This is the beauty. So can you see they've pinpointed what you're trying to say and created a video on it? Let me just preview it. Again, it's going to give me that same sort of sound in the background. Now, if you want, you can change the sound or the music in the background. You can change the text. You can make it smaller, bigger, change the colors, anything you want. And we need to add a voiceover, right? This is where it really counts. Voiceovers are very important. So I'm not going to go through the whole scenes. I'm going to look and see how it works together. Anything I don't like, I can always delete the scene and change it into something else and get another video, whatever I want to do. But let me choose a voiceover now because obviously that's very important. You can record a voiceover or you can upload one. I'm going to upload one because they got some really nice AI voiceovers, actually. Really cool ones. So you got English US, you got UK style, and what else? What do you have? Australian, Yeah, all sorts. So you can actually choose the style that you want, right? In the language, not in the language, but in the accent that you want. So let me see Jackson, male from the US.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Wow. So that's Addison. I'm going to use Addison and I'm going to generate or preview the whole thing now. So guys, check this out. I'm going to go through the whole video with all the writing. Remember that I copied and pasted, and it's going to break it up into blocks of scenes. And it's actually seamlessly going to put it all together into one video. And literally, I can then go back and I can, after previewing, I can delete any scene I don't like, change it up, do something else, add it in, put a different sound. That's it. And it's quick. Check this out.
Save time. You don't need to source or oversee inventory when you offer digital goods. Moreover, logistics and shipping are not your concerns. Save money. Managing inventory as well as sourcing, storing, and transporting tangible goods all cost money. With digital goods, you may completely avoid these costs. Scalable. Digital goods can be scaled indefinitely. The difference between supplying 10 units daily and delivering 10,000 units daily is negligibly small. But, when your business grows, you'll need to recruit more customer service agents and modernize your website to handle the influx of visitors. Large profit margins. As digital products don't require the acquisition or management of physical inventories, the profit margins are very high. Automation possibilities. Automating the delivery of digital products is rather simple, enabling you to.
Guys, tell me the truth. What do you think? I think that is absolutely amazing. Yes, there are some things that you could change and tweak and improve. I grant you that. But guys, come on. Look at this. Like how long? 2, 3, 4 minutes? Guys, this is amazing. This is literally all you need to do. All you need to do, guys. And obviously, you know, you got your video. Let's say you got your video. You're happy with your video, right? Let's just say, you know, then you want to create a quick thumbnail for the video, for your YouTube video. I mean, there's just one that I do it in Canva, guys. Canva's amazing. Mine are very simple, very straightforward, nothing special, but you can do some really beautiful different thumbnails as well. So Canva, again, check it out, guys. In the description below, you get a free trial for the pro version. There is a free version, but guys, Pictory is the one. This is crazy good. Like, I can't believe like how cool it is. But yeah, man, I think it's the one to use. And I hope you enjoyed that step by step. I've got some other ones that I'm doing anyway. Check out the link in my description for the trials. And also, I would say, check out my playlist, guys. The playlist got loads of different videos. I go through a few different bits, a few different things. So check that out too. But I hope you liked the video. And if you did like it, guys, hope you hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And don't forget, if you got any questions or comments, please drop it below. I'm really always happy to help and happy to answer any questions. So guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.